Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any if you're having a Kia or Hyundai with a 2.4 Gdi engine. If you have one of those, you need to remove or replace PCV valve. Stay with us, we'll explain that, how to do it, everything from start to finish, and we will explain how it can affect your engine to the point that you may need new engine. So make sure to stand till the end, all that will be covered today. Let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, for any of you that need to buy any parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from. So, let's explain where the PCV valve is located, how to remove it, how to replace it, and how it can practically destroy your engine. Now, we'll remove the upper engine cover. You just grab and pull it. It attaches with 4 rubber bushings to these posts. Before we continue, let me tell you one thing guys. Many of you have been asking us in the comment section below to share information about the diagnostic tool that we use here. And that's a really cool tool. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features. But it's an all system scanner that works on almost any car you can think of. Hyundai Kia is right here, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. So check out the link if you want to know more about it. With that being said, let's explain what we're going to do here now. As you can see guys, that's the valve cover, right here of your engine. Now when the engine runs, what happens? Pistons go up and down. You have a blow-by gas, between the piston rings. That gas, that pressure will end up in the crankcase, the bottom half of the engine, and from there it will climb to the valve cover. But if that pressure doesn't come out of the engine, what will happen? You will fail gaskets, you'll start developing multiple oil leaks, crankshaft seals will start leaking, gaskets, also you may destroy your engine, and the head gasket may be affected as well. So they invented that valve that's known as a PCV valve, or positive crankcase ventilation valve. And you have a device in the valve cover that separates the oil fumes from the air, and that valve itself does that too and injects the clean air in the intake manifold and burns through the engine, and the oil keeps dripping back in the engine. But if that valve fails, what can happen? You may start putting quite a bit of engine oil in the engine, and you may experience burning quite a bit of engine oil that can affect catalytic converters, pistons, carbon buildup, all that stuff. If it fails closed, you can develop multiple oil leaks and destroy your engine too. That's an item that should be replaced, and most people never do. So how you do that? You pull the hose. You might have a clamp here, some do, some don't. I'll recommend to have a clamp to make sure that it doesn't have a leak. You get a 24 millimeter socket, I think, 24. Fits perfect, and usually they're not very tight. This is the torque specs, only like 2 to 3 Newton meters, almost 3, not even 3. And this is guys the PCV valve right here. Now if you want to see how to test PCV valve and find out if it's good or bad, we'll have the video on our channel. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.